I'm pleased to call to order this morning's hearing to examine the need for a manufacturing innovation network and to review H.R. 2996, the Revitalization American Manufacturing Innovation Act of 2013, authored by Representatives Tom Reed of New York and Representative Joe Kennedy of Massachusetts. I am pleased that Congressman Reed and Congressman Kennedy will be joining us later today as witnesses to discuss their proposed legislation. Nationally, manufacturing supports 17.2 million jobs with 12 million Americans, or roughly 9% of the workforce, employed directly in manufacturing. Manufacturing represents approximately 11% of the American economy and has the greatest multiplier effect of any major sector in the American economy. According to the Bureau of Economic Analysis, each dollar spent in manufacturing generates an additional $1.35 in spending. In Indiana, there are nearly 10,000 manufacturers employing more than 500,000 workers, which represents 1/6 of Indiana's workforce. Not surprisingly, my state ranks first in manufacturing employment and second in manufacturing as a gross state product. The 8th District of Indiana is home to many of these manufacturers, and I have seen the work being done firsthand at manufacturers like Berry Plastics, Toyota Motor Corporation, and Alcoa. Along with the many manufacturers in our district, universities like Vincennes University, the University of Evansville, and the University of Southern Indiana offer degrees related to advanced manufacturing and work closely with these entities to develop a talented, well-trained workforce. H.R. 2996 would establish a $600 million new program based on the President's FY13 and FY14 budget request for the National Network for Manufacturing Innovation. H.R. 2996 would establish a network for manufacturing innovation, building a public-private partnerships through centers for manufacturing innovation. Nearly half of the government spending in 2012 was spent automatically on mandatory entitlement programs. And here in Washington, D.C., we're having an ongoing discussion about reining in the spending on the mandatory programs in order to prevent budget cuts to government programs such as research and development that also may affect such proposals as 2996. I look forward to hearing from all our witnesses and their thoughts about the proposed legislation, and I thank them for joining us today.